Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. If you don't know, or if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. If you don't already know, I am an affiliate for Woodpeckers Crafts, and every so often they will send me a box of items to show you guys and try out and let them know what I think, or let you guys know what I think about them. Last time they sent me a box, I was in the middle of moving, so I wasn't able to use the products that they sent me, so I feel really bad about that. But usually they'll send me stuff and I'll use them in my DIYs some way or another. But this last box that they sent me, I didn't have a chance to actually get into it. There was some awesome stuff. Their quality is amazing, like amazing. They're wood items, they're cutouts, they're just wood pieces, and the quality of the wood is amazing. The items are awesome. So whenever they have like new items, they'll send me, some of them. So the contact over there that I have, she contacted me asking if I would like to have, a package sent out with some of the new items. And informed her that I kind of changed the trajectory of my page. Is that the right word? I changed how I'm going to be doing, things that I'm going to be doing on my page, and let her know that I'm going to be focusing on doing minis or miniatures. And she let me know that she would try and, get a box together that kind of, coincides with miniatures. So I don't know I have an idea of what they sent. They usually send some awesome stuff. So I'm going to show you what they sent me and get right into it instead of doing all this talking. I will have all their information. It's linked in my description box. I think I have like a permanent link there. If not, it is in my link tree, but either way, their information will be down below. And at the end, if I think about it, I will get a list. I'll put the price of like each item somewhere on the screen so you can kind of get an idea. So this is the box that they sent me. I just opened it up, and she always puts a nice little note in there for me. And she sent me a tote. Oh, okay. So if you don't know, I love bags and totes and stuff like that. She sent me a tote. It's cute. I love the colors. It says Woodpeckers Quality Wood Crafts. I love it. So that's cute. I'll definitely use that. Over here, if we shop in Chicago, they charge 7 cents a bag. So we always take bags with us. And then at our local grocery stores, if you bring in a shopping bag, they give you a 5 cent credit on your grocery purchase. So I always try to take my bag. Ooh, okay. All right, so they did not disappoint. Definitely did not disappoint. Okay, so this first little bag has miniature oil barrels. They look to be about 2 inches or so, give or take, maybe a little over an inch. Yeah. So I got 6 of those. These are adorable. Definitely can be used in a miniature. I'm thinking farmhouse. If you're doing some kind of like biohazard thing, that'd be cool to put the little symbol on there. They can be used in so many different ways, and they can also be used like as legs to pedestals and stuff like that. They don't have to be used, for what they are. You know me, I'll use something and turn it into something else real quick. Ooh, these are cute too. I love these. These are what are these called? Are these pickle barrels? I think these are pickle barrels. They're cute. They're again probably a little under 2 inches or just about 2 inches. But the quality of these wood pieces they're amazing. Let me open it up so you can see one. The quality is amazing. And then you can paint them, stain them, put little stickers on them, do whatever you want, but the quality is amazing. So there's that. Then Oh my gosh, I already know what I want to do with these. I already know. They're little milk bottles. They're, again, about 2 inches. So this is going to be in a different scale than what I usually make, but still going to be miniatures. Love them, love them, love them. Love them. I already know what I want to do with these. So that's those. These look like some vases. But again, if you get 4 of them, you can use them as, you know, legs on a pedestal. Anything. You can make them handles on stuff. I mean, there's so many different things you can do with them, but it does have the little holes so you can stick things in there. This would be cute if you painted them like terracotta, or maybe got some spackle and like spackled them up to make them look more like pottery, you know? So those are cute. Oh, and then there's some more. This is a different shape. So again, these are probably about 2 inches or so. Yeah, so they're just a different shape. So again, you can do the same thing. You can use them as a base, or you can use them as legs to anything, some kind of handle or something. Oh, what are these things called? Oh, I'm drawing a blank. Are these milk cans or milk jugs as well? Well, anyway, here, these are cute. They're about, again, these are on average about 1 inch, 2 inches or so. If I can get the bag open. There we go. So look how cute. So again, if you've seen me do my galvanized method, you can definitely get that going. Galvanize this up a little bit, then maybe, you know, paint that a different color. But how cute is that? And again, if you want to use it for something else, I mean, you don't have to use it for its intended purpose or what it is. It can be a milk jug or it can be something else. So that is super cute. I love that. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, I'm like slow. I'm thinking, my brain is like going like, ooh, what can I, what can I do with these? But oh my gosh, little miniature rolling pins. How cute are these? Look how tiny they are. They're not even the size of my finger, maybe about 1 inch, maybe 1.5 inches, a little under 1.5 inches. Oh my gosh. So cute. So definitely, if you're making a little miniature kitchen, they can be used as a little charm on a journal. You can personalize them, make them into little earrings for somebody who's a baker. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Okay, look how tiny they are. I love them. I'm gonna have to get some more of these because these are so cute. They sent me a few of them there. Oh my gosh. I'm excited. Okay, I need to put this box down because, okay, there we go. Guys, it's a little book. Oh my gosh, the detail that can go into this. You can like take your box cutter or your craft knife and kind of cut the pages. Just kind of go over it and make the little pages look like they're separated. Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. You guys don't know, I love anything miniature, and these pieces are so awesome. Oh, little handbell. So these are pretty big. Probably again about these are about 2 inches as well. So they're a little bit bigger, but definitely still cute. Let me see something. Oh, they're not hollow. So I was gonna say maybe you could do, you know, put something in there, but they're solid. But again, this wood is so good. The quality is amazing. You could even turn it into a cute little flower if you wanted to. It could be a flower if you turn it upside down. It could be a light, you know, a light fixture if you just kind of cut the tip of it. I mean, again, you don't have to use it the way that it's intended, but look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh! Okay. And then they sent me some circle like round pieces, flat pieces, about say about 1.5 inches or so. So you can make a pizza out of them. You can turn them into plates. They can be wheels on something. So many different things you can do with that. Mason jar. Oh my goodness. Now you know I love a good mason jar. These are about 1 inch or so. These would be cute. Tie a little piece. Oops. Tie a little piece of. Let me take out. It's easier that way. It's plastic. It's very thick. So you could take a piece of like twine or baker's thread or embroidery thread, kind of tie it along there, make yourself a little label that says jam or whatever. Make yourself an apothecary cabinet. They're so cute. I mean, look at that. I'm gonna have to get some more of these too. I hope that. I wonder if they have different sizes of them, because that would be kind of cool to have like a variation of sizes. But definitely love those. Again, they're so excited. So excited. What's this? Oh, little bowls. Little bitty bowls. Look at, okay, why am I not taking them out automatically? Okay, these things are tiny and they're adorable. It's a little bowl. Look at, oops, where am I? Here we go. Look how cute. You can't get a good shot. The lighting is kind of weird, but so cute. So stinking cute. So these aren't even, I don't even think these are 1 inch big. They're tiny and I love them. So you can paint them, make them look like they're ceramic, or you can just keep them wood. You can stain them. You can paint them whatever color you want to match your decor. But how cute are those? What else is in here? Okay, let me just get out the bag here. Little bats. Bats, like swinging bats, you know? That'd be cute. Like if you're doing a little boys' room, or if you're, you know, making a gym or something like that. Oh my gosh. Or you can even use them as a leg, like on a table or for chairs or something like that. They're about 2 inches. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love them. I love, again, I would probably use these as legs on something, because, and then there's 6 of them in here, so I could use 4, make a table, and then I have 2 left to do whatever I want. Or if you want to make very small little milk jugs, you can kind of cut them if you want to, but the shape is a little bit off. Or they could just be like a Coke bottle or a bottle. You can cut the bottom off a little bit and turn it into like a bottle. Ideas, I'm telling you. So you can paint them, stain them. They paint very well. They stain really well. So that's an, ooh, what's this? Whoa. Something's huge. I don't know what type of wood it is. It doesn't have a label or anything on it. I'll have to look and see, and I'll put the information again down there or on the screen somewhere for you. They look to be about 12 by 12, like a piece of scrapbook paper. It's about the size of them, and I don't know how thick they are, but they're pretty, I mean, decent thickness. And again, I mean, you can cut this up. If you have a laser cutter, obviously this would be good to use there. You can use it as flooring. You could probably build a freaking dollhouse with this. I mean, I'm telling you, the quality is amazing. So, I mean, all this stuff that they sent, this is insane. Insane, and I cannot wait. The ideas are just rushing to my head. That's why I keep kind of slowing down a little bit. Look at all the stuff they sent me, and their prices are so good. Like, again, you'll see the prices. I'll have them on the screen. But look at this. Look at this. All this stuff. This stuff was probably maybe 50 bucks, maybe. Again, I'll have all the prices on here, but all this stuff might have ended. Oh, all this stuff was probably maybe 50 bucks, if that. If it was even 50 bucks. Their prices are amazing, I'm telling you. So I'll have the link down in the description box. again, so that you can check them out. Thank you so much, Woodpeckers Crafts. Renee, she's my contact over there. She's amazing. Thank you so much for sending me these items and always thinking of me when you get new things. I cannot wait to work on those. And I'll probably be placing an order for a few more of these pieces because I really like the little bowls, the mason jars. I hope they have different sizes. I'm going to check that out. What else did I really, oh, the rolling pins for sure. Definitely getting some more rolling pins. Yeah, so, oh, I can't wait. Some of these are even going to be used on my journal, like as little charms and stuff too, because that's cute. So yeah, that is it, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing, and definitely check out my link again in the description box so you can discover all the amazing items they have. Again, they don't just have miniatures. This is something that she specially put together for me because I told her I was switching over. But they have woodcut. They have so many pieces, and like I said, the quality is amazing. And I'm not just saying this because they sponsor the video. I genuinely love their items and I have purchased. So, um, yeah, so that is it. Check them out. And I have a couple videos coming up. If you haven't seen my new video where I DIY'd a miniature camper, check it out. It's my most recent video before this. And if you haven't already, follow me, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're notified. Check me over on TikTok, Instagram, whatever else is out there. They're all under Melissa Makes a DIY. So that is it for today, guys. Slow down. Until next time, be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye.